what you need to do is make sure that you don't get near any buildings or anything that could possibly cause harm if the fire gets too big. So what I've done is I chose to pick a spot here in the backyard where it's secluded from any buildings, any objects that can catch fire. Dig. So what I've done here is laid out all the bricks, exactly how the fireplace is going to be looking, and that way I know how to dig around it. So what I do is just dig around the perimeter, go all the way around, about 3 inches out, and I dig about 4 to 6 inches deep. Once I get that dug, I'll place the blocks level in the circle. Don't mess around with any old rambling man. As you see, is my partner here. He's going through around the perimeter and just working away, getting the dirt out so we can level out the bricks. Right here, I have one already in the ground. It's about halfway above the ground and halfway below. That's gonna be our base, where it's gonna be a foundation for where we're gonna put 2 more layers on top of it. So we ran into some roots around the perimeter, so we're just chopping them out. We don't really need to take them fully out. We just need to chop them up enough where we can get the base down there. To make the job easier, what you want to do is, as you're going around, just check it periodically to make sure you are level still. As you see right now, I'm level. Get right there. I'm just going to keep going around, check all of them, different angles. So as you see, we got the whole circle completed, and we are just now going around and making a little mound, like right here, about 4 inches wide. I'm gonna fill it in with lava rock. They have a nice little like decorative rock going around it, and then after that we'll get stacking the bricks for the second layer. All right, again, as I'm putting this down, you want to make sure the lip on the back part, you come in closer, you can see where it's nice, sturdy right there. Make sure it's level, and you want to also have it where it splits the difference between them. You just kind of catty corner every other one, you have it halfway through. See, we got them stacked on here. It's not going to be perfect, so what you got to do is just, place them, move them around to make them fit tight. You want to have this gap right here as tight as possible. So next, we're going to put the rock in, and as you see, we dug the middle out deeper, because what we're going to do is we're going to fill in lava rock right there. That's going to be our drainage. Basically, when water fills up the hole here, the water will have somewhere to go. The rock will give it a pathway to go down. Watch right here. Pour it in there. Nice and easy. And then I'm going to put more lava rock in and fill out the base surface area. We have a nice bed of lava. We're filling this in. You don't have to make it too thick, just about 3 rocks. As you see, I got all the lava rock in it. It took about 11 bags to get it all filled up. I got the perimeter with the lava rocks as well, and it's nice and flat on the inside. And then now I'm going to stack the 3rd layer of bricks, and we should be finished. And there we go, we got the last block in there. We're now done. We got 3 layers high with the lava rock on the inside. It's looking good to me. Now it's just time for a fire.